Alright, recorded the sewer of the day at 123 Highland Drive. The date is June 8th, 2021. I'm making this as a final recording after Bob Oates did some sewer repair work out here to put a small PVC repair in and install a sewer liner through the length of the pipe. I'm going to pull back. Got some water running inside the house now. But we're looking at the Seattle City main sewer line there. We're going to pull back from that point. We'll get a look at this line here. So Seattle City sewer main coming back now into our liner, immediately into 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner. So from the main coming back now, like I said, 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner coming back towards the property. We're out under the street right now. Okay, we come back into our PVC repair, so we excavated a section to gain access to the pipe to install this liner. So we dug up probably a 3-4 foot stretch of this pipe and replaced it with 6-inch PVC. You see a little bit of sewage down at the bottom of the pipe there, but and there's also a clean out there. Downstream, I don't know, 8-10 feet from this clean out, there's a upstream clean out to go back up to the house. So then there's another small stretch of 4-inch diameter liner that comes straight up into our existing clean out. So there was an existing SDR35 PVC clean out already on site here. We installed our liner to lip into that clean out. Now we're coming back up through the pipe clean out here, and there's the clean out access there on the side of the yard here. We are down here in the corner of the house. There's a downspout pipe, and over kind of by that little evergreen tree is where the clean out is. Ending the video there.